Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it.
Thank you. You too. Got my matcha. Let's go. Alright, I didn't know it was gonna be like that. It was quick. But he didn't know how long I was gonna take. He probably should have never made this. But if it tastes bad, I'm gonna curse him out. And it better be cold, period. And it better be pure matcha, period. Can't even enjoy my matcha yet. I was stopped for a sale. So, dang. Okay. I don't got no small sizes of nothing. This is Shenanigans Hair Tea. We create natural hair and beard care products. We specialize in boosting the confidence of men and women by creating natural, healthy hair and beard care. I started this business when I was 18 because I grew up insecure about my natural hair, and that led me to start creating products to empower other individuals to take care of their natural hair and to be more confident with what they already have. Because we all inspire to be something else, but we don't really aspire to be ourselves as African Americans. Yeah. So, hey y'all, I didn't get to introduce myself or just tell y'all what's going to be going on today, but this is a daily vlog. It was so unexpected, and I felt the calling to vlog when I had to promote my business out of the blue, when I was just picking up matcha to drink. So yeah, today we are vlogging a simple day in my life, going to work, working on my business, doing meetings, going to the gym. This is like my realistic daily routine.
Let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right.
Office is loading, like it's loading. I need it. 2025, I will have an office. My room is way too small to continue to run my business out of this room. Like, I'm just getting exhausted. Sometimes I would look business casual for like my meetings and Zoom and work. But these past 2 days, I just haven't. Plus, I'm getting ready to like change my hair up because I'm tired of these. So I'm changing my hair up tonight. Okay. I need to go find me a gray wig too for this tomorrow.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, gotta hold on. Now I'm prepared for instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside.
Tell Bobby, I go. Bobby, baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say.
Alright, dance class was good, y'all. It's over. I burned like 532 calories. I'm so glad. Hey, and I'm in a better mood just for that. So I love dance class. This is like one of the highlights of my week, and this is a great workout. Good way to get your endorphins pumped up.
You know what I say? Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, Chepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice what you know. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM.
My savior, God, my deliverer, God, my yes, he is. Yes, he is. God, my savior. Have a blessed day, y'all. Always pray and don't you ever give up, okay? Remember who said it? Mama. Big mama.